I am K here, bringing you another video. Again on the MK1 Content. Pops old man butt. But no. Got their old ABA here. CabriHO. About to be a Cabri, no. Ha ha ha. Joke's on you. But we getting there. He doing something. Don't know what. But we gonna drop the song gun and then push the car back and it'll be right as rain. That's it. Alrighty, 10-4. We'll check back in a little bit. Alright. We got motor. Not motor, block and transmission. 2Y or 4K?
2Y, 4K's back up.
4K's the backup?
Yeah, that's
right.
2Y.
So we got the 2Y transmission on there. We got Mushmeister. USRT there. Just gonna get the new crank or intermediate shaft pulley, because you see there this it was damaged. You know your time and crank sprocket's lightweight too, right?
Intermediate shaft.
No. Your crank timing sprocket is lightweight too.
Oh, I forgot about that. That's the one from SP out here.
Yeah. But old girl, we're just getting the motor harness out of it.
It's just the engine harness and the ECU.
And then
the coil.
in the coil pack. Cooling bottle. Expansion. But this is today's video. Tomorrow's video, we're gonna put it in the old Jetta here. Can't wait. Damn, that motherfucker look good. Look at this.
You should see it with the grill on it.
Oh, I know it.
It looks good. It looks better with the grill on it.
But
And the bumper.
we're working on it. Progress is progress. I'll be out here tomorrow and we're gonna throw it in there. Let's get it.